velvet curtain of the night retreat, as gold begins to spill across the streets. The hip and sunshine breaks and splinters through the trees. A warm embrace that brings us to our knees. It isn't just the light that starts the day, it's how the shadows learn to melt away. Oh, look up at the infinite blue, a canvas painted deep and blue, where the thick fresh air dances crisp and clean over valleys dressed in every shade of green. It's a symphony of color, a breath for the soul, the beauty of the wild that makes us Van is awakened in a coat of emerald moss, where silver rivers run and old paths cross. The clover sighs beneath the wandering breeze, a quiet whisper through the ancient trees. Every leaf is drinking in the morning glow, watching all the hidden, quiet wonders grow. Open up the window, let the spirit clear. The scent of pine and rain is hovering near. No walls can hold the magic of the sky, begins to fly across the meadows, far as eyes can see, in this cathedral of the wild and free. Oh, look up at the infinite blue, a canvas painted deep and ever new, where the breath fresh air it dances crisp and clean over valleys dressed in every shade of green. It's a symphony of color, a breath for the soul, the beauty of the wild that makes us sunlight on the skin, greenery within. Breathe it in, breathe out. This is what it's all about.
Trading the sirens for the hum of the wind, where the pavement stops and the ascent begins. I'm leaving the noise of the valley below for the jagged horizons and the caps of white snow. Every step is a heavy rhythmic beat, the dust of the world falling off fade to blue, and the stars look close enough to reach into. I find the clarity I couldn't find down there, caught in the lungs of the mountain air. Oh, give me the peaks where the air is thin, where the silence is loud and the light seeps in. I'm small as a stone in a giant's hand, looking over the edges of a sprawling land. It's a reset, a hollow, a holy high, where the earth reaches up to touch the sky. To touch the sky. Lean over the high. Just the mountain and me. Trading the sirens for the hum of the wind, where the pavement stops and the ascent begins. I'm leaving the noise of the valley below for the jagged horizons and the caps of white snow. Every step is a heavy rhythmic beat, the dust of the world falling off of my feet. Oh, give me the peaks where the air is thin, where the silence is loud and the light seeps in. I'm small as a stone in a giant's hand, looking over the edges of a sprawling land. It's a reset, a hollow, a holy high, where the earth reaches up to touch the sky. The urgent emails and the ticking clocks, they don't mean much to the ancient rocks. There's a shift in the scale, a change in the view. The old heavy worries start to feel like new, just a speck in the shadow of a granite wall. Finding my strength in feeling so small. And when the alpenglow starts to fade to blue, and the stars look close enough to reach into, I find the clarity I couldn't find down there, caught in the lungs of the mountain touch the sky, to touch the sky, with it all behind. Just the curtains open, the light pours in. A brand new story's about to begin. Looking up at that endless view, a canvas painted in baby blue. The sun is high, the air is clear, everything's bright while the day is here. Blue, blue, sunny day sky, watching the white clouds floating by. From the pale light of the morning dew to the electric pulse of the afternoon, it's blue, blue over me and you. The world is wide and the shadows are small. We're standing tall beneath it all, like a sapphire sea above our heads, where the golden light of the morning spreads. The birds are soaring, the wind is free, it's as bright as a dream can ever be. But wait for the clock to turn around, when the sun starts sinking toward the ground. The pale light fades, the shadows grow long, the sky begins its evening song. A deeper shade is washing through, turning the sky to a royal hue. Ooh. Indigo sky, the day says goodbye. A velvet blanket for the tired eye, from the bright day to the evening glow. Watching the colors settle down low, it's blue, blue, indigo blue. Sky blue morning, indigo night. From the burning sun to the pale moonlight, just blue, so beautiful and blue. The sky turns a heavy shade of pewter and pearl as a quiet settles over the rush of the world. The first few drops are like a secret confessed on the dusty pavement and the robin's nest. There's a scent in the air, earthy and deep. Wake in the garden from a long, thirsty sleep. Oh, the silver strings are falling down to paint the reflections all through the town. It's a rhythmic hum, a steady release. In the gray of the clouds we find a little peace. Let the windows fog, let the clock run slow. There's a beauty in the rain that the restless don't know. Every leaf is polished to a violent emerald hue. The old wooden porch is singing something new. It's a natural wall between the out and the in, where the noise of the day starts to wear a bit thin. So pull up a chair and watch the water trace the patterns of a slow and a gentler pace. It isn't a gloom, it's a soft focused lens, where the sharp edges soften and the light begins to bend. A cleansing of the spirit, a washing of the street. In the cool damp air the world feels complete. Oh, the silver strings are falling down to paint the reflections all through the town. It's a rhythmic hum, a steady release. In the gray of the clouds we find a little peace. Let the windows fog, let the clock run slow. There's a beauty in the rain that the restless don't know. Listen to the reflection to the leaves, the sky giving back what the earth receives. Just a rainy day. Let it wash the world away.
High noon, hanging in a heavy sky. I'm looking up, asking you why. You're a masterpiece, a golden glow, but you're running the heat at 1,000,000. I'm parched, I'm fading, I'm chasing the shade, while the promises of morning start to fade. If I'm dehydrated every single time, trying to survive your dazzling prime. Oh, oh, summer sun, why are you so hot? You're the king of the sky, like it or not. I like you very much, you know it's true. But I'm begging for a little mercy from you, please. Little calm down, just a degree or two. I'm burning up in the middle of you. You burn my skin and you tan listen to my plea. Be a little kinder to the world and me. You're so hot, it's a beautiful crime. Still I love you almost all the time. Just come by. Oh, summer sun, why are you so hot? You're the king of the sky, like it or not. I like you very much, you know it's true. But I'm begging for a little mercy from you, please. Little calm down, just a degree or two. I'm burning up in the middle of you. Just calm down. Chilly breeze, a winter morning's grace, a sweet intoxication in every breath I trace. That first golden ray peeking through the door, as if after ages I've been chosen once more. The cold within the walls had made my spirit shy, but as I stepped outside, I saw a smiling sky. Oh, oh, this winter sun, a strange soft tingling on my skin, the sound of peace beginning deep within. I long to simply close my eyes and stay, to find a century's sleep in this golden ray. When the gentle warmth touches the surface of my soul, a sweet hum awakens, making me feel whole. The wheels of time have slowed their heavy pace. Minutes turn to hours in this warm embrace. No worries here, no noise to break the theme. My world is tucked beneath a blanket of sunbeams. Oh, this winter sun, a strange soft tingling on my skin, the sound of peace beginning deep within. I long to simply close my eyes and stay, to find a century's sleep in this golden ray. Scent of damp earth walks from somewhere far, the magic of dissolving right where you are. I never even knew when my eyelids fell so deep. All the world's exhaustion washed away in sleep. The tingling skin, the silent peace, just me and the sun in sweet release. Just me.
The white cat fades on the mountain peak. The silent valleys begin to speak. The grip of Right on the crest, the heart of Europe is at its best. Springtime calling, clear and true, in the land where the mountains touch the blue. Beneath the canopy of endless blue, the valleys bathe in golden light. A brand new beauty wakes to life, a breathtaking and holy sight. In science lanes, the blossoms dance, awakening from their winter sleep, while Mendes breezes brush away the secrets that the shadows keep. From Zermatt's towering heights above, the Matterhorn stands proud and grand. With family by my side, I walk through this enchanted storied land. The joy of the open road is mine as the wheels begin to spin. At every turn a new bond grows with the nature deep within. A lingering chill is in the air, met by the sun's soft, warm embrace. So far from the Himalayan peaks, I found another heaven's face, with the comfort of a home-cooked meal, and the ones I hold so dear. These memories of the Swiss spring air will stay forever near. With a child's bright and happy smile, and a partner's love so true, the Swiss spring brings a world of joy in every shade of blue.